Hey everyone, it's Hannah with Everything Happens for Us. And if you're anything like me, you live and breathe affiliate marketing. It's a constantly evolving landscape with new technologies, changing consumer behaviors, and innovative strategies popping up all the time. Now, I know you're busy, so I'm going to cut to the chase. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for any marketer. And that's exactly why we're diving deep into the latest game-changing trends in the affiliate marketing world. This video is your one-stop shop for understanding these trends, and more importantly, how to leverage them to skyrocket your earnings in 2025 and beyond. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the bread and butter of affiliate marketing, crafting headlines that convert like crazy. ClickBank's incredible guide, 12 Tips for Writing Affiliate Marketing Headlines, is a goldmine of actionable advice. Think about it. Your headline is the first impression, the digital handshake that either grabs your audience's attention or sends them scrolling into the abyss. You need to nail it every single time. ClickBank emphasizes the power of numbers. Headlines like 7 ways to dominate your niche or 10 times your earnings with this one simple trick instantly pique curiosity. People are naturally drawn to lists and specific outcomes. Another gem from ClickBank? Creating a sense of urgency. Limited time offers, exclusive deals, and the fear of missing out are powerful motivators. Phrases like, "don't miss out," or "last chance to join," can significantly impact your click-through rates. And here's a big one, directly addressing your audience's pain points. What are their struggles? What solutions are they desperately seeking? Craft headlines that promise to alleviate their pain and offer a light at the end of the tunnel. Remember, your headline is a promise you're making to your audience. It's a contract that says, "click me, and I'll deliver value." Make sure you're crafting headlines that demand attention and deliver on their promise. Let's face it, everyone's looking for ways to make money online. And guess what? Affiliate marketing plays a starring role in the online income ecosystem. ClickBank gets it, and their article, How to Make Money Online. 17 Ways to Make Money Online in 2023 breaks down the strategies that are making waves. Niche blogging, my friends, is far from dead. Finding your tribe, your passionate audience, and delivering high-quality content that caters to their needs is a recipe for affiliate marketing success. Become the go-to authority in your niche and watch the commissions roll in. Social media is another powerhouse for affiliate marketers. ClickBank emphasizes leveraging platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to connect with your audience, build trust, and subtly weave in affiliate promotions. And let's not forget the power of email marketing. Building an engaged email list allows you to nurture relationships, offer exclusive deals, and drive conversions through targeted campaigns. The key takeaway here? Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different avenues, experiment, and find what works best for you and your audience. Now, for those just starting, let's break down the fundamentals. ClickBank's What is Affiliate Marketing? A ClickBank official guide is the perfect starting point for beginners. Think of affiliate marketing as a win-win partnership. You, the affiliate, promote products or services from other companies. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. But here's the beauty of it. You don't need to create your own products, handle customer service, or deal with the logistics of shipping and handling. Your focus is laser-sharp driving traffic and generating leads. ClickBank's guide walks you through the entire process, from choosing a profitable niche that aligns with your passions to finding high-converting products and crafting compelling marketing campaigns. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right guidance and resources, like those provided by ClickBank, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Chapter 4. Top Offers on ClickBank's Marketplace. Keeping your finger on the pulse of the top-performing offers is crucial for maximizing your earnings. ClickBank's Marketplace is a treasure trove of high-converting products across a wide range of niches. Regularly browsing the marketplace allows you to identify trends, spot new opportunities, and align your promotional efforts with products that are already generating buzz and sales. Don't be afraid to venture outside your comfort zone and explore new niches. You never know what hidden gems you might discover. ClickBank's marketplace provides valuable insights into each offer, including gravity scores, average commission rates, and conversion data. Use this information to make informed decisions and prioritize products with a proven track record of success. Remember, the affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving. New products emerge, trends shift, and consumer preferences change. Staying informed and adaptable is key to long-term success. Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing Events. Essential conferences and events to attend this year. Networking, learning from the best, and staying ahead of the curve. That's what industry conferences and events are all about. ClickBank's article, Affiliate Marketing Events, Essential Conferences and Events to Attend This Year, is your guide to the must-attend events that will supercharge your affiliate marketing game. These events are like a shot of espresso for your business. You'll hear from industry leaders, connect with fellow marketers, discover cutting-edge strategies, and gain invaluable insights that you won't find anywhere else. ClickBank does an excellent job of curating a list of events that cater to different niches, budgets, and experience levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's an event out there for you. Attending these events is an investment in yourself and your business. The knowledge you gain, the connections you make, and the inspiration you'll find are priceless. Mark your calendars, book your tickets, and get ready to immerse yourself in the world of affiliate marketing. Chapter 6. CPA on ClickBank, Understanding Cost Per Action Commission Structure. Now let's dive into the world of CPA, or cost per action, a commission structure that goes beyond just making sales. ClickBank's guide, CPA on ClickBank, Understanding Cost Per Action Commission Structure, breaks down the ins and outs of this powerful model. With CPA, you earn commissions by driving specific actions, such as email signups, form submissions, or free trial registrations. It's a fantastic way to monetize your traffic, even if your audience isn't ready to make an immediate purchase. ClickBank emphasizes the importance of understanding the specific action that triggers a commission for each CPA offer. This ensures you're targeting the right audience and crafting your campaigns to drive the desired action. CPA offers can be incredibly lucrative, especially when you're promoting products or services with high conversion rates for the desired action. It's a win-win for both you and the advertiser. Chapter 7. Affiliate Marketing Glossary, Key Terms and Definitions. Affiliate marketing has its own language, a glossary of terms that can seem like a foreign language to newcomers. ClickBank's Affiliate Marketing Glossary, Key Terms and Definitions is your Rosetta Stone, providing clear and concise explanations for all the jargon and concepts you'll encounter. From cookie duration to conversion rate optimization, this glossary is your secret weapon for navigating the world of affiliate marketing with confidence. Understanding these terms is essential for effective communication with advertisers, interpreting performance data, and making informed decisions about your campaigns. ClickBank's glossary is a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced marketers, serving as a handy reference guide whenever you encounter a term you're unfamiliar with. For those of you who are serious about taking your affiliate marketing skills to the next level, ClickBank offers an incredible resource, Spark by ClickBank. This affordable and comprehensive training platform is a game changer for aspiring affiliates. Spark provides everything you need to succeed, from in-depth training modules and step-by-step guides to expert interviews and a supportive community of like-minded individuals. ClickBank understands that knowledge is power, and they've made it their mission to empower aspiring affiliates with the tools and resources they need to thrive. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience under your belt, Spark by ClickBank provides the guidance and support you need to accelerate your affiliate marketing journey. Influencer marketing has exploded in recent years, and for a good reason. Partnering with influencers allows you to tap into their established audiences, leverage their credibility, and introduce your products or services to a whole new world of potential customers. ClickBank recognizes the power of influencer marketing and emphasizes the importance of finding influencers who align with your brand values, target audience, and niche. Collaborations with influencers can take many forms, from sponsored posts and product reviews to contests and giveaways. The key is to find creative and authentic ways to integrate your affiliate promotions into their content. When done right, influencer marketing can significantly boost your brand visibility, drive traffic to your website, and increase sales. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming the affiliate marketing landscape. ClickBank recognizes the transformative power of AI and highlights its potential to enhance targeting, personalization, and analytics. AI-powered tools can analyze massive data sets to identify patterns, predict consumer behavior, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. From AI-driven chatbots that provide instant customer support to personalized product recommendations that increase conversions, the possibilities are endless. ClickBank emphasizes the importance of embracing AI and integrating it into your affiliate marketing strategies. Those who adapt and leverage the power of AI will have a significant competitive advantage. As we've explored in this video, the affiliate marketing world is dynamic and constantly evolving. New trends emerge, technologies advance, and consumer behaviors shift. But one thing remains constant: the need to stay informed, adapt, and embrace innovation. By understanding the trends we've discussed, leveraging resources like ClickBank's guides and marketplace, and continuously seeking knowledge and growth opportunities, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning. The future of affiliate marketing is bright, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve incredible things. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.